felt like your skin looks dull and lifeless, and your body feels sluggish and tired at the same time? Or maybe you have tried a lot of moisturizers and serums, but you find that your skin just lacks that kind of radiance and that glow that you crave. Hi, I'm Pretty Baby. Welcome to my bathroom and welcome to the world of Cosmofacial. Now, what is Cosmofacial? Cosmofacial is not some hocus pocus theory out of outer space. It is actually founded 23 years ago by a lady named Serums in Barcelona, Spain. Serums actually put together the best parts of Oriental Meridian therapy and Amazon Indian natural healing methods and combine them and make them into a 7-phase facial therapy that we now call Cosmofacial. Cosmofacial is very big, it's huge in Europe and Japan, but in other parts of the world like in Singapore and Malaysia, it is unheard of at this moment. Now, the benefits of Cosmofacial are aplenty, but for today's purpose, I will just share with you how to do this first step on yourself at home or anywhere, anytime you need a pick-me-up. If you are doing this at home after your morning or night skincare routine, I would highly recommend that you get an organic rosehip seed oil, which will enhance the delivery of the massage. See, something like this. But if you are doing this in the middle of the day when you are out and about, before your meeting, before meeting someone, of course you can skip the oil and just use your bare hands. But of course, make sure that you have washed your hands with soap and clean them and dry them properly before applying the massage on yourself. Now please join me as we start this journey of Cosmofacial. Using your forefingers, put them on this part of your face. Alright? And apply some pressure. Move your fingers in circular motions about 7 times, followed by 7 times of pressing into the tissue. You are supposed to apply some pressure, so it is normal to feel it there. Okay, and after that we will move up here. And somewhere here in front of the earlobes. Followed by in the middle of the ear. And at the top here of the ears. Are you getting it? And then you will move it to the ends of your eyebrows, like this. So this part of the face tends to be thinner. You have to be careful about not jabbing your own eyes. And then to the outer corner of the eyes, same thing, 7 times each. And then to the top of the forehead, which is actually stimulating the gallbladder. And then to the top of the eyebrow, somewhere in the middle. And then to here. And then to somewhere in the inner eye. So if you're doing this over your makeup or if you're wearing contact lenses, you have to be extra careful. Okay, and this is the part that some people say hurt because it's right below the eyes where it's more sensitive. And then somewhere in the middle of your cheekbones. The corners of your nose, where you will look like Miss Piggy. Well, and then to the corners of your mouth. And then this is clockwise as well as anti-clockwise direction, followed by 7 pumping actions. So if you are using the rose hip seed oil, your hand might just slip. Just be careful. You can hold on to one wrist if you prefer, and then to the tip of the nose. Just press it in both clockwise and anti-clockwise, and after that press into the skin 7 times. And this is the part that we call the governor. And then to below the lips. And the last point is here. There, you're done. And if you want to take it one step further, you can actually use your hands and do this here, somewhere here, and just comb it down. Imagine that you're combing something down about 7 times. This is to aid in the lymphatic drainage, touching your collarbones. Don't you feel more awake already? Well, I do. Well, thank you for joining me, and please subscribe to my channel and support my videos. And if you like them, please press the button to show that you like them, and I'll see you in my